So I marked where I want to drill the hole, and I'm going to drill it right here. In this video, I want to show you how to install these push type buttons to fix problems like this. I usually use zip ties, but it's cold in the winter and they just keep breaking and further damaging the bumper. So I'm going to install this little button that comes on this little shaft that you put in and it clips. Just quick, pops off. You just push it in, pops in there, click the button, it pops out. I'm going to install it right here. Then I'm going to use this piece and install it right here. This piece is also very easy to install. It comes with 2 nuts and 2 washers. You put 2 washers here on either side of the bumper. Put the other nut on, or wherever you're mounting it to, which is the fender. And then you can adjust the distance. Here I'm just going to mount it to the fender. I'll leave a link for this product in the description. Just head down the link below if you want to find it online. But yeah, I'm going to show you how to install it. It's very easy. First thing you want to do is find where you want to drill the hole. I want to put it something like that. So I'm kind of just going to eyeball it and then drill it out. So you can put a screw like this on one side of the bumper, you add the screw, you put it and then you add the screw. So it still has quite a bit to go. Pops right in there. There you go, it's simple as that. On the other side, you put the screw on. You can't see. Put the screw on. Now you can switch to a different drill bit to drill the hole in the fender because it's metal and you want a smaller hole. So I'm going to first drill a pilot hole and then I'll make it bigger with this drill bit. I marked where I want to drill the hole and I'm going to drill it right here. Drilling it out to fit the stud. Then you can bend it in which direction you want it to go. Switching the bit to a bigger size. If you want to take it off, you just click the button and pull it off. Again, you could buy these on Amazon or eBay, but I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe, drop a like, and see you later.